What's up, YouTube? If you see my short just a little bit ago, you see that my spark plugs came in. It's really hard to get spark plugs these days. But let's talk about spark plugs and shrouded plugs versus unshrouded plugs. We can also talk about a little bit about heat ranges, because I use a 7 whenever I'm running nitrous. It's a cooler plug, dissipates heat faster, and it works well with nitrous. Same thing with boosted applications, superchargers, things of that nature. You want a little hotter plug when you're running NA than you do when you're running forced induction or nitrous. And also something I learned the hard way was with nitrous, I'm not too sure about with turbos and forced injection, but I know with nitrous, and I learned this the hard way, is you need to run a shrouded plug. Now you're going to ask yourself, what's the difference between these two plugs? They're both NKGs. They both are ours. Let's get them in the frame. Okay. Now, this one's a 7. And this one, this might not have the number on it. No, this is a 5. Okay, NKG does theirs a little funky. The higher the number, the colder the plug. So this is going to be a colder plug than this plug here, this 5. Yeah, well, see that UR5, that's the heat range. And this is just a plain, this just says it's a plain 7. It doesn't really have a number on it. We can flip it around. Okay. Now there's another difference with this plug, or between these, besides one being new and one's being old. Okay, this one came out of the 440. Yeah, it's a little charred. 440 was running rich. It could probably used a little colder plug than that. But see how far the electrode sticks out there? It's got the, let's get down here where you can kind of see a little better. But it's got the ceramic right there right there where it comes out of the threads. So that's an unshrouded plug. Ground strap, and you got your electrode sticking out with ceramic, right? Your ceramic insulator. Okay, that is an unshrouded plug. Now this plug, and these are the plugs I got for my 408, and I've used this plug a lot. I like it. I mean, just because it's NKG, it doesn't mean they're sponsoring me or anything, but this is a shrouded plug. And as you can tell, that ceramic is down in the threads. It's not sticking out. Now, I was told by somebody that was an old school nitrous guy that ceramic can cause hot spots and pre-detonation. And that's why he liked to use these. And, well, being that, I'm the smartest man on the earth, I said, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. And I actually blew up a plug in a nitrous application. And the ceramic that was on it had cracked and created a hot spot. That's what I believe happened. I was using an unshrouded plug like this, just like any other plug you'd use. So anyway, started using these, haven't had a single issue. Haven't burned up a ground strap or anything. A lot of it to do is because I have a little more knowledge about how nitrous works and a little knowledge about how to tune them. And the tune on the nitrous starts with your plugs. It does the gap, what type of plug, the heat range of your plug. So pay attention to stuff like this. Spark plugs are very interesting, good tools. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you later. Bye.